Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'll show you on how to simply turn off auto update on your Instagram account. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to simply click on here to open up my Instagram app. Then having opened up your Instagram app, I'm going to click on my profile icon from the bottom side right here. And I'm going to click on this three slider from the top right here. Then I'm going to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure I look for about. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on app updates. The next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I turn off this. Turn off auto updates. Add new features as soon as they are available. Do you want to turn this off? Simply click on turn off. Instagram updates available. Get notified when updates are available. Turn off. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.